Hello students, let's start our second lesson on practice from CAD/CAM modeling from the manufacturing process course. Let's start new project. Save it as a part number 4 and the folder in the desktop. Press OK and OK. Select the sketch and the X and Y plane. Press OK. We will start first exercise for today of this project. Let's firstly draw the circle. This circle is the diameter is 78 and this circle, the reference circle, with the diameter 58. Let's select the circle with the center. Okay, 78. 78, press enter. Then reference circle 58, press enter. Convert this reference circle to the reference by selecting it. Okay. Next is to draw also this circle with the diameter of 32. It's also reference circle. 32, press enter. Convert it to the reference. So now is to draw these elements of the project. Firstly, draw the circle with the diameter 14. It's the diameter is 14. Press enter. Okay, let's draw one more vertical line. That's also the reference line, and using the geometric constraint and point on the curve, select this and select this line. Then select the center of the circle with the circle, so it's allocated like this. Now draw this element. So this element, so draw line and make it vertical and extend it until the here, and make it mirror, and the distance, define it's the distance here 6 millimeters, and define this point and this point, draw the line, so and trim these parts. So we draw the element inside of the circle. So now it's to make it pattern curve using the circular layout. Select the curve, this curve, to make the pattern. Specify for the specified point, select the center of the circle and count. There is 6 such kind of element with the angle between each of them is 60 degrees. So you see here we obtained this one, and draw the circle, this circle with the diameter is 22. Press enter. Now we can hide these reference circles in order to better see our sketch. Next step is to draw the element here, the two circles with the diameter 12 and 22. Select the circle, press enter, and the same circle with the 22 diameter, press enter. So distance between this and these circles are 57. So let's define this distance, this and this, 57. Press enter. Now is to draw one more line. The circle here with the diameter is 90. Close it. Circle. The diameter is 90. Press enter. So now it's to make the arc fillet with a 20 millimeter. So this and this 20 millimeters, and here this is 20. Now we can make the trim of these elements. So we obtain the part here. Next is to draw these elements here. First draw the circle with the diameter is 18 and 36. 18, 10, 36. Let's define other parameters. Distance between this circle and this circle is 104. Let's define this. From the dash here to here, 104 millimeters. Then make mirror of these two circles, this one and this one. Center line around the y-axis. So we make the mirror. So distance between these two circles are 90 millimeters. So define this one and this one is 90 millimeters. Close it. Here we have the arc with the radius of 40. So we can make the arc with the diameter is 40. Let's draw this one. Then here fillets of or arcs with the radius of 20. We can make arc this and this 20. Press enter. 20. So now is to make the trim in order to delete unnecessary sketch. This one, and this one. Let's delete this one also. I think there is a mistake. Arc. Let's check the 40. This one and this one is 40. Now it's correct. Okay, let's check one more time. There is no necessary lines. No, then close it and finish. So you see our project is finished. First project. Let's continue with the second project. This one. Save this one and new file. Open new file. Save it as part 5. The same in desktop. OK and OK. Select a sketch, plane, press OK. We can start to draw the part here, starting from here with the diameters 94 and the reference diameter is 64. .94 and 64. Convert this circle to the reference one as the same. Draw here one reference line, draw circle here, define its diameter is 12, and using the geometry constraint, point on the curve, select the point and the axis, then select again the point and circle, the same we did on the previous exercise. Close it, and the same as previous, that's to make the pattern. There is a 6 of circles pattern. Select the curve to make the pattern, this one. The method is circular, specify point is center of the circle, it's 6 remained as previous, so press OK. Draw circle here with the diameter is 36. 36, press enter. Now we have to draw these elements. In order to do this, let's draw firstly circle. Its the diameter is 200. Circle 100 multiplied by 2, 10. Draw 2 lines, convert all of them to the reference and make it the angle is 30 millimeters. Dimension angle between this and this is 30 degrees. The same, make the mirror of this line on this line, then we can make trim of this part. Now we obtained this, so we can convert also this one to the reference one. So now using the offset we can obtain these two lines with the distance is here, distance is 12 millimeters. Here, if you remember, there is the offset function, offset the curve function. Select this one, and the distance is 12, radius was 12, and if you make the symmetric it will be in the two sides. So press OK. Now we can make the arc here. Here you see arc with the 3 points. First point, second point, and radius 12. Press this one, and first point, second point, 12. Press enter. The same we will draw these two lines. Its the distance is 23. Making offset, this line is 23. Press OK. The same arc with the radius of 23. Press enter. OK. 23, press enter. So close this one, and last step is to draw these two part of the element. So draw firstly just a line, and using the geometric constraint make it vertical, so it will become vertical. Press OK. Okay, extend it, then make it mirror about the center line and define the distance between of them. It was 36, and make the fillet here, it is the 10 and 9. 10 and 9. So close, and let's make it here the arc. It will be better. And make the trim, and make the constraint of tangency between this and this one. Delete this and draw one more arc here. 9, press enter. Okay, and then we can make 3. Now it's finished. Okay, close it, finish sketch, save it. This is the second project. Let's continue with the third one. This one. Save this second one. Okay, new file, part 6. Okay, sketch, select the plane. Okay, you can draw the sketch with the circle, 30 millimeters. Then the reference circle with the diameter is 55. Convert it to the reference. The same one reference line, vertical line, convert to the reference. Draw smaller circle with the diameter of 10. Then the same as did before, geometric constraint, point on the curve, circle with this line, and the circle with this circle, close, and make it pattern. This one, the circular point, center, then 6 with a degree of 60 degree. Okay, obtained this one. Now we draw this circle with the diameter of 80. 80, press enter. Draw this circle 20 and the 20 and 12, yes, 12, 20. Okay, let's make geometry constraint coincident this with this. There is the tangency here, that's why. Let's draw without the tangent. Constraint this one with this one. Okay, collinear. So make it a mirror. These two around the center axis of this one. You see the mirrored, and define the distance is 100. Press enter. Then also make the mirror of this around the axis. Press OK. Then define the distance. This and this is 35. Then this deactivate. Okay, make it tangent this one and this one, and quick extend this one. Okay, we can make the mirror, or we can draw all of them one by one. This one around this one. In this case, we have to make it check the tangency between this line and this circle. The same mirror this one and this one around this axis, and check the tangency. This with this one, and this with this one. Press OK. Draw this arc with the diameter is 40 and 20. 40. So let's make it constraint of tangency, this one and this one. Okay, constraint is already exists. Okay, it's good. And make this one with this one 20. Make it mirror this one and this one around the center of this one. Okay, it's mirrored. Press OK. Constraint. If you directly press the C keyboard from your keyboard, it will open the geometry constraint. It's one of the key features of the NX. This one. Okay, last two is this and this, and this one with this one. Press OK. I think it's finished with the no, you have to make the trim of here unnecessary, this one as well. Then close it, finish. Now it's finished. You see, we derived our project last last project. Okay, save this. Okay, students, for today the lesson is over, and from the next lesson we will see how to make the extrude and revolve, as I mentioned in the previous exercise lesson. See you on the next lesson. Thank you very much for your attention.